everybody, my name is Kim and I'm the Happiest Cook. I am making a potato salad. Not just your normal run-of-the-mill potato salad, but a German potato salad. It's delicious. It has bacon, red onions, vinegar. It's just a great side dish. Very often eaten during the holidays. I've got my bacon crisping up. My potatoes are on the stove. I'm getting ready to chop up this red onion, and then as soon as the potatoes are done, we'll start putting this all together. Okay, our potatoes are all cooked, and I discarded the onions because we're not going to use those. Those were just for seasoning. And I cover them with a towel to keep them warm. So what I'm going to do now, our bacon is all done, and I have all this lovely bacon fat. So what I'm going to do is I am going to put my onions in here. And we are going to cook these until they're soft. So now what we're going to do is we are going to very carefully pour the vinegar in. We're going to add our Dijon mustard. And about 2 to 3 tablespoons of olive oil, pepper, okay, we're going to combine the dressing, which is right there. Put our bacon. And our green onions and parsley. And we're going to toss this all together. You can season this with as much pepper or salt as you want. German potato salad. Our potato salad is all plated. I have a little tiny little plate for me to test. And a shout out to our good friend Ken Gross, who he posts a lot of delicious food as well on his Facebook, a lot of it German. So I will be very interested to know what he thinks of this. So let's taste. Well, I don't know about anybody else, but this is really delicious. So good. Thank you so much for joining us today here on the Happiest Cook, making German potato salad. We're going to have this with our Christmas dinner. I am going to be cooking a ham, cola ham, with a maple glaze coming up soon. It will be posting probably right after this potato salad, so make sure you don't miss that. And thank you so much for subscribing. It's very easy to subscribe. Just hit the subscribe button, and we really do appreciate those. So I guess that's it for us. I'll see you next week here on the Happiest Cook. We are making ham. So like I always say, let's get cooking and keep on cooking. Happy holidays, everyone.